Welcome back to Iron Tech. In today's episode, we will explore the new F-16 aircraft that fly with AI as the rapidly advancing technology of artificial intelligence AI becomes an increasingly captivating topic. AI, a field of computer science focusing on the development of machines or computer systems capable of performing tasks that were previously only achievable by humans, has undergone a long journey from its initial concept to its current rapid advancement. In recent decades, AI has demonstrated its potential in various fields, including defense technology. One of the hotly debated applications of AI is in the F-16 combat aircraft of the United States. The use of AI in these combat aircraft is still in development, but so far, the technology has been successfully implemented. Pilots even acknowledge that if AI can effectively operate F-16s with impressive capabilities, it will facilitate America's steps toward owning a fleet of over 1,000 combat aircraft by 2028. This strategy is driven by the vulnerabilities faced by manned fighter jets in the face of advancements in electronic warfare. In December, F-16s embedded with AI technology undertook 2 autonomous flights, leading the U.S. Navy to explore new capabilities, enabling rapid testing of autonomous flight systems regardless of the organization or company that developed them. This rapid advancement in algorithms, based on test results, allows for quick reloading of other AI systems and subsequent flights within hours. This highlights the power of the X-62A, also known as the Variable Flight Simulator alias NF-1D, or more simply referred to as the F-16D Vista. The Vista, which began its life in the 1990s as a programmable F-16 for simulating flight controls and aircraft handling, allows test pilots to understand what it's like to fly a J-17 or business jet while in a fighter aircraft. Moreover, it can be used to validate flight control laws for demonstrator aircraft, as seen during the Joint Strike Fighter competition. Human pilots are one reason why the F-16 Vista became an optimal aircraft for testing AI. This fighter jet still retains a cockpit for its crew, allowing operators to intervene whenever necessary and take control of the aircraft if the program goes awry. The Vista features a 2-seat cockpit, with a highly skilled F-16 instructor pilot in the rear seat, who has undergone specialized training to fly the Vista. At any point during the flight, the instructor pilot can shut down all simulations and autonomous systems, then take over control. In the front seat, anyone who has passed a flight physical can sit without requiring special flight qualifications, typically occupied by flight technicians controlling simulation systems or overseeing autonomous aircraft operations. In routine flight operations, the pilot brings the Vista to the appropriate altitude and speed, then the person in the front seat loads the simulation system for flight control. Once ready, the transition to autonomous flight is seamlessly conducted. The U.S. military is gravitating towards AI-enabled aircraft due to security concerns, cost efficiency, and strategic advantages. However, there are concerns about the use of AI when it involves deploying lethal weapons without adequate human oversight. The fear is that someday AI may autonomously drop bombs, killing civilians without human involvement. Thus, greater restrictions on its use are anticipated. The U.S. envisions future warfare scenarios with swarms of unmanned aircraft delivering sustained attacks on enemy defenses, providing America with the ability to penetrate airspace without high risks to pilot lives. This shift is also driven by funding issues, where the U.S. Air Force is still hampered by production delays and ballooning costs in the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter program, estimated to cost $1.7 trillion USD. Thus, the advantage of unmanned fighter aircraft is not just about pilot safety but also about cost effectiveness, allowing for deployment in large numbers. In the realm of AI-enabled fighter jets, America appears to be ahead, as no other country in the world has AI-equipped fighter jets like theirs. While China has made strides in AI, there is no indication that they have found ways to conduct testing beyond simulators. Whether AI will be fully deployed in fighter jets, potentially rendering human pilots obsolete, remains to be seen. Computers have already surpassed humans in various competitions, such as chess, and it may not be long before AI achieves a 100% kill rate against manned fighter pilots. However, its performance against robust air defense systems in contested environments must be carefully evaluated first. Stay tuned for further developments by liking and subscribing to this channel to get the latest information on cutting-edge technology. Keep soaring high with Iron Tech.